The question we are solving now belongs to test series 4. It is of control system subject. In specific, it belongs to Nyquist plot of the control systems. Please note that this is a common data question. As per the question, the open loop transfer function of a unity negative feedback control system is given as g of s h of s is equal to k by s into 1 plus 0.1s multiplied by 1 plus 0.05 s. We need to find the value of k such that the phase margin of the control system is 60 degrees. We know that the phase margin of a control system is given as Pm is equal to phi plus phase of g of j omega h of j omega at omega g, where omega g is the gain crossover frequency which can be obtained from the relation abs of g of j omega g h of j omega g is equal to 1. So from this we see that upon simplifying this relation we see that abs of g of j omega g h of j omega g can be written as k divided by 1 omega g multiplied by square root of 1 plus omega g square divided by 100, that is the magnitude of the quantity marked at s is equal to j omega g, which is further multiplied by square root of 1 plus omega g square by 400, that is the magnitude of the term marked at s is equal to j omega g. And we know that this is equal to 1, and upon simplifying we see that k is equal to omega g multiplied by square root of omega g square by 100 multiplied by square root of 1 plus omega g square divided by 400. Let us mark this equation as 1, and from the given data we know that the phase margin Pm is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse of 0.1 omega g minus tan inverse of 0.05 omega g is equal to pi by 3, because from the given data this is the phase margin, and upon simplifying this we see that the gain crossover frequency omega g is equal to 3.5 radians per second, and from 1 we see that upon substituting for gain crossover frequency the value of k comes to be 3.75. Hence the correct option representing the gain crossover frequency is D.